till 25.
Hello guys, and welcome to this Python tutorial where we shall be looking at Swedish translator. So what do I mean by this? What we are going to do is we are going to represent a small bilingual lexicon as a Python dictionary, then and use it to translate our words into English. So let's first define this dictionary for us. So we're going to call it dictionary, then we put our curly braces, then we map our Mary to God, then we map our Christmas to what's the word for Christmas in Swedish? Yeah, Jul. What else? We map our Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So and is ok, then happy and a Happy New Year. God, happy is God. What else? What else? Happy New Year. So new, and new is neat or night. Okay, whatever you call it, but I'll call it neat. Then year, and then what are we going? What's year in Swedish? So that's it. So this is a dictionary. Let me do this so that it's a bit more readable. Now there, looks nice. So this is how we define our dictionary. Remember, a dictionary is a key value pair. So this is the key and this is the value, key value. Yeah, remember how we defined a list? A list is just we define it with square brackets. Can decide call it jewel. It can also take numbers. Also, a dictionary can take numbers, so don't worry about that. But this is how we define a dictionary. So if you look, if we run that one and look at the type, we will see that it's of type dict, which is a dictionary. Let's continue with our Swedish translator. So what else do we need? So we need a function. We need to write a function that takes a list of English words and returns a list of Swedish words. Right? Right. So let's define this function then. We're going to say def translate. Then what do we need to pass into this function? We are going to pass in a list, and in order to do this, we are going to do something. Okay, we are going to call the list, then we take in the word, then we lower, we transform it into lowercase, that is. Then what we shall do is apply a for loop to this dictionary. So what we're going to say is for w in list. Remember our list that we passed here. For w in list, if w.lower, so we're checking if it's in lowercase, then if w.lower in dictionary, that's basically it. So we are going to map our words in this list with the words in our dictionary here. So first of all, let's run this one and see what we get. Yeah, didn't return any errors. Let's see if it will work. So we're going to say print, translate. Now what are we going to translate? So okay, remember translate requires a list. So we're going to say what can we do about it? Let's put in a list of items. Let's put a list of items here. So Merry Christmas and Merry Christmas and yeah, Happy New Year. Let's see how this will turn out. Right. Translate. God jul ok. God nit ar. I don't know how to speak Swedish, but this is kinda cool. Okay, let's add in a number. Let's add in an item here. Let's see what it does. So notice that it didn't print anything because it didn't find anything that corresponds to this mom or dad for that matter. You can see it only got God, Jul, Ok, got, Neat. If there's any Swedish speaker watching this video, please send me an audio how you pronounce these words, this sentence. So what else can we do? Okay, we can, if let's say we knew what dad is, we can say dad will be, pardon me if I don't know any more of these Swedish words, hero. Let's see what it will bring out. Great. You see, it just maps the sentence or the item with the corresponding label. So we're just going to remove this because it's not in a, oh god, let me remove this one. Yeah, it works. You can also do this with Spanish or something like that, but this is just for fun. That's basically it, and thanks for watching, and subscribe or like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you.